Switzerland, land of majestic mountains where the peaks touch the sky and the valleys cradle serene lakes. This is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display, and every corner reveals a new wonder. Sparkling lakes reflecting the clear blue sky, and charming villages that seem to float on the water's edge. These lakes are not just bodies of water, they are the lifeblood of the region, providing sustenance and beauty in equal measure. High in the Alps, nestled among towering peaks, lie villages untouched by time. These villages, often isolated and remote, offer a sanctuary from the modern world. Here the air is crisp and the silence is profound, broken only by the sounds of nature. These isolated hamlets offer a glimpse into a simpler way of life. Here tradition reigns supreme. The architecture, the customs, and the daily routines have remained unchanged for centuries, preserving a way of life that is both unique and precious. The pace of life is slow, dictated by the rhythms of nature. Villagers rise with the sun and retire with its setting, their lives intertwined with the natural world around them. This connection to nature is evident in every aspect of their daily lives. The air is pure, the scenery breathtaking. Every breath taken here feels like a gift, a reminder of the pristine beauty that surrounds these villages. The mountains with their snow-capped peaks stand as silent guardians over the land. Life in these villages is unique. From traditional festivals that celebrate the changing seasons to daily activities that have been passed down through generations, there is a sense of continuity and community that is rare in today's fast-paced world. It is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here there is no rush, no urgency. Time seems to stand still, allowing for moments of reflection and peace. The villagers live in harmony with their surroundings, finding joy in the simple pleasures of life. Let us embark on a journey to discover the secrets of these hidden gems. As we explore these villages, we will uncover stories of resilience, tradition, and a deep connection to the land. Join us as we delve into the heart of the Swiss Alps, where every village has a story to tell and every path leads to a new adventure. The Swiss Alps dominate the landscape. Towering peaks reach for the sky. Deep valleys carve through the mountains. These geographic features isolate the villages. They're often only accessible by winding mountain roads or cable cars. Winters are long and harsh, snow blankets the ground for months, summers are short and mild. The climate shapes every aspect of village life. It influences architecture, agriculture, and even social customs. Life in an isolated Swiss village follows a distinct rhythm. It is a rhythm dictated by the seasons and the demands of mountain living. Days begin early. Villagers tend to their farms or work in local trades. Cows graze on alpine meadows. Cheesemakers craft their renowned products. Woodcarvers create intricate designs. Evenings are for family and community gatherings. Stories are shared, songs are sung, and traditions are passed down through generations. Traditions run deep in these isolated villages. Centuries-old customs are preserved with care. Folklore fills the air. Each village has its own unique stories and legends. Tales of mythical creatures and heroic deeds are passed down through generations. These stories provide a sense of identity and connect the villagers to their past. They are a testament to the enduring power of tradition. Section 5. A tapestry of tales, personal stories. Meet Heidi, a young woman who grew up in a remote village nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps. Her life, like many others in her village, is a blend of tradition, nature, and community. She spent her childhood exploring the majestic mountains that surrounded her home, herding goats across the rugged terrain, and finding solace in the serene beauty of nature. One of her fondest memories is sitting by the fireplace, listening to her grandfather's captivating stories. These tales, passed down through generations, were filled with wisdom, adventure, and the essence of their heritage. Heidi's tale is not unique. In fact, it is a common thread that binds the villagers together. Each person in the village has their own story, rich with experiences and emotions. Every villager has a story to tell. These stories are shared during gatherings, festivals, and quiet moments, creating a strong sense of community and belonging. These stories, woven together, create a rich tapestry of life in the Swiss Alps. They reflect the daily lives, the customs, and the enduring spirit of the people who call this place home. They offer a glimpse into the joys, challenges, and the simple yet profound moments that define mountain living. From the laughter of children playing in the meadows to the resilience shown during harsh winters, each story is a testament to their way of life and triumphs of mountain living. These narratives of overcoming adversity, celebrating triumphs, and cherishing everyday moments are what make the village's tapestry so vibrant and enduring. Section 6. The heart of isolation: community bonds. Isolation fosters a strong sense of community. Villagers depend on each other for support, companionship, and survival. Neighbors help neighbors. Social gatherings are frequent and lively. Festivals and celebrations bring everyone together. There is a shared sense of belonging and responsibility. This strong community spirit is the heartbeat of these isolated villages. Section 7. Nature's embrace: beauty and challenges. Life in the Swiss Alps is a constant interplay between beauty and challenge. The stunning scenery is awe-inspiring, but the harsh climate and rugged terrain demand resilience and resourcefulness. Villagers have learned to adapt and thrive in this demanding environment. They respect nature's power and appreciate its gifts. This deep connection to the natural world is woven into the fabric of their lives. Section 8. Shaping a culture: isolation's impact. Isolation has shaped the culture of these Swiss villages. It has fostered self-reliance, ingenuity, and a strong work ethic. It has also preserved traditions, customs, and a slower pace of life. The villagers are proud of their heritage and their connection to their land. They are warm, welcoming, and resilient. Their way of life is a testament to the enduring spirit of human adaptability. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring spirit of Swiss villages. The isolated villages of the Swiss Alps offer a glimpse into a world apart. These villages, often tucked away in remote valleys and surrounded by towering peaks, seem almost untouched by the passage of time. The serene landscapes, with their pristine beauty, create a sense of timelessness that is both captivating and humbling, a world where tradition and nature intertwine. The architecture of these villages, with their wooden houses and snow-covered roofs, reflects a deep respect for the natural environment. Every structure, every pathway seems to be in harmony with the surrounding landscape, creating a seamless blend of human ingenuity and natural beauty. A world where community is paramount. In these villages, the sense of community is palpable. Villagers gather in central squares, engaging in communal activities that have been passed down through generations. These gatherings are not just social events, they are a testament to the strong bonds that hold the community together. Life here is not easy, but it is rich in rewards. The villagers work hard, tending to their fields and managing livestock, often in harsh conditions. Yet there is a sense of fulfillment that comes from this rugged lifestyle. The rewards are not just material, but also emotional and spiritual, as the villagers find joy and satisfaction in their connection to the land and to each other. The villagers' resilience, their connection to their land, and their strong community bonds are an inspiration. Despite the challenges they face, they remain steadfast and resilient, drawing strength from their deep-rooted traditions and their unwavering sense of community. Their interactions are warm and genuine, reflecting a way of life that values human connection above all else. Their story is a reminder that beauty and strength can be found in the most unexpected places. As the sun rises over these serene villages, casting a golden glow over the landscape, we are reminded of the enduring spirit of these communities. Their beauty lies not just in their picturesque surroundings, but in the strength and resilience of the people who call these villages home. It is a testament to the power of tradition, community, and the human spirit.